and the clarion call of Jai Samvidhan, Rahul Gandhi launched the first attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Steering away from convention, Congress has decided to fight the Modi Sarkar over the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. This will be the first contest after the 2024 elections and also the biggest test of opposition unity against Modi and his alliance partners. Can they corner the NDA government over the post of the speaker? And more importantly, can they together set the tone to oppose the centre tooth and nail in the coming weeks, months and years? Or will they expose the chinks within their own armour? Let's set it up for you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with the numbers as they stand. The opposition has 242 MPs, while the NDA has 293. The majority mark to get a motion pushed is 272, which the BJP has, but not the Congress party. And yet today the Congress has declared that they will field their own veteran member of parliament, K. Suresh, to contest in the Lok Sabha Speaker elections tomorrow. The India Alliance clearly doesn't have the numbers, but does the Congress even have the support of its own allies? Let's show you what rationale Rahul Gandhi has given to fight a losing war. He has claimed that Congress had promised to back the NDA candidate if, and listen to the condition, if the opposition was given the deputy speaker's post. But the BJP has hit right back, saying there is no such protocol, that the deputy speaker's post must go to the opposition. After all, in Karnataka, Himachal, Congress has retained both the speaker and the deputy speaker's post, and including in Telangana, the post remains vacant. In Tamil Nadu as well as Bengal, the deputy speaker's post is also with the ruling party. So why does Rahul Gandhi, the so-called savior of constitution, still insist on this rule? Watch this war of words.
ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है। तो नियत साफ नहीं है।
तो ये जो आदान प्रदान करके ये पद ये पार्टी ले लो, वो पद ये पार्टी, ऐसा स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर को नहीं कर सकते हैं।
They are not ready to give any assurance. So we are compelled to file a nomination for the post of speaker.
एक पुरानी मानसिकता है कि हम डिक्टेट करेंगे टर्म्स को, उस मानसिकता को फिर से दिखाया गया कि नहीं, शर्त है कि पहले लोकसभा का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करें, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा।
While the Congress party hoped to put the NDA Sarkar on the mat with this latest contest, it seems to have exposed the chinks in the India armour. Instead, Mamta's party, Trinamool Congress, had said that they weren't even consulted, while Sharad Pawar said, and he said this in a public statement, that as per convention, the opposition shouldn't contest the speaker's post, which normally goes to the ruling side. Read between these lines.
मैंने किसी के साथ ये इशू पर डिस्कशन किया है। हमेशा की प्रैक्टिस है कि रूलिंग पार्टी के पास स्पीकर की खोई जाती है, और अपोजिशन के पास डिप्टी स्पीकर की जाती थी। मैंने उनको सलाह दे दिया कि आप गवर्नेंस में बैठे हुए लोगों को स्पीकर की सीट के लिए अनअपोज वहाँ पर इलेक्शन होना चाहिए, इससे हमारी सहमति है। ये संदेश दीजिए। साइमल्टेनियसली डिप्टी स्पीकर की सीट उन्होंने अपोजिशन को देना चाहिए।
कांटेक्ट किया था कांग्रेस ने, आरोप है कि कांग्रेस ने कांटेक्ट किया था,
लेकिन अभी तक कोई जवाब नहीं आया है।
कांटेक्ट नहीं किया है, कोई बातचीत नहीं हुआ है एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस हैज बीन अ यूनिलैटरल डिसीजन।
Unfortunately, this has been a unilateral decision by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Well, now that is democracy, that is alliance partnership. So let's get a NewsHour fact check for Rahul Gandhi. While he says that attempts were made to build a consensus by the MDA Sarkar, the truth is that Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh reached out to both Mallikarjun Kharge and Chief Minister Stalin of Tamil Nadu. Sources say that top BJP leaders had also reached out to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav. Also, Rahul Gandhi had said that BJP ki niyat theek nahi hai and that Congress has spoken to all its alliance partners. But its own ally, the Trinamool Congress, said that the Congress did not consult alliance partners before fielding their own MP unilaterally for the Speaker's post. While the Congress party is set to fight the NDA over the Speaker's post, NCP veteran Sharad Pawar openly said that they should give that post to the ruling party, which is the convention. But finally, Rahul Gandhi had called the NDA fragile. But now, with all NDA alliance partners together during the nomination of Speaker, as well as support coming in from parties like YSR-CP, it seems there is consensus over and the numbers over the Speaker's post, and the opposition seems to be flunking the first test itself. So why is it doing what it is? And that's the legitimate question that we're asking on the NewsHour tonight. Has Modi Virod cost the Congress dearly in its first battle? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the NewsHour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Member of Parliament and National Spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, political commentator, Pattabhi Ram Komareddy, National Spokesperson of the TDP, Dr. Ashutosh Verma, National Spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Sanjay Sarkar, political analyst, supports the Trinamool Congress. But my first question goes to Tehseen Poonawalla, supports the Congress Party. And Tehseen Poonawalla, Rahul Gandhi says nobody contacted Mallikarjun Kharge. In fact, he's still waiting for a call. Rajnath Singh says 3 baar baat ho chuki hai. Then Abhishek Banerjee comes and tells everybody in a public soundbite that it's a unilateral decision that has been taken by the Congress party. And Sharad Pawar says he knows the convention. It's always the ruling side that gets the speaker. Why is such a song and dance being made? Is it simply because somewhere or the other, the Congress party has a bee in its bonnet about the fact that Narendra Modi has become the 3rd time Prime Minister, has equaled the record of Jawaharlal Nehru, and now whatever you do, you will oppose him, whether it's a losing battle or a winning one?